Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to claim your Robux in Please Donate. As we all know, the Please Donate game is actually working. You could actually donate Robux to other users here. And here, you could actually just set up your booth here, like I'll be showing you here. So here, you could actually just add your claim your booth here and basically restart receiving your donations. So once you've gathered enough Robux, you can actually just withdraw it into your account. So I'll be showing you how to do that. So let's go to our profile first. So I'm now in my Roblox profile. So how do you actually claim your Robux through the game Please Donate? So when we actually go to the top right of our screen, that's where our Roblox current standing or our wallet current contains right now. So when we click on that, we have two options. So we either have the Robux or the number of Robux we have right now, or the buy Robux. So when we click on the 0 Robux here, from here you'll be able to see the current summary, all the amount of Robux you should have or is currently pending on your account. So if you receive a significant amount already from the Please Donate game, it should be noted as pending here on the summary page of your account. So it's actually independent because Roblox has to confirm if the transaction is actually legit. So it takes about 3 to 5 days for them to confirm that. But yeah, you just need to wait a certain amount of days or hours. So 3 to 5 days, it might take that long. So after 3 to 5 days or even a week, if you didn't receive your Roblox yet into your account, then you could actually start contacting Roblox for this one. So I'll be showing you how to contact Roblox if you didn't actually receive your Robux from the Please Donate game. So here, just click on the top right of the screen. That's where the gear icon is. And you want to select the help section here. Now, under help, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the contact us section. So just click on it. And from here, you want to look for the support form link that you see on your screen. So here, just click on support form. And from here, you'll have to enter a few details about yourself. So here, the username is important. Although it just says username optional, I still recommend you to use your username for this one to properly identify your account. Also here, you add your first name, and then your email address and the confirmation for your email address. Now here we have to enter the issue details. So what device are you having problem on? So if you're using your PC for this one, go ahead and choose PC. And here in the help category, we want to choose the section that says billing and payments. So we actually chose billing and payments for this one because Roblox is concerned for this one. And also it's going to ask us please select. So for this one, we're going to use the free Robux since we are actually asking for donations on Please Donate. And here in the description of issue, you just need to describe your issues. Like for example, it's already been 5 days since the coins or the Robux are still in pending status. You could go ahead and indicate the date. Like for example, in July 1st, 2023, Robux is in pending from game. Please donate. Still now, Robux is still pending. So somewhere along the lines, this could actually help. So just put the following. So the date can vary. So that actually depends when you actually receive your donations. That will change. But for this example, I'm just gonna use July 1. So Robux is pending from game. Please donate. Still now, Robux is still pending. So after you've waited like 5 or 7 days or even 3 days, if nothing still happens, you just indicate also there that still it's been few days since your Robux is still in pending. You should indicate that. And once you're satisfied with your description of the issues, just click on submit, and you just need to wait for Roblox to reply to you via email. and they will assist you on how you could actually start getting or claiming your Robux from Please Donate. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.